What it is, Tube U. We're back. Back for a Saturday. Steve. Oh, that's not where we're at. Well, we're out here at LFS Elite. That's it. And as you can see, it's a sad day.
You're a whole different person on your vlog.
It's a sad day. Look. She's coming out. Yeah, this is about all I could do. I had to get Steve for the rest. I can't do shit else. One, because I ain't got no twos. Two, I don't like to fuck shit up. Steve knows way more than I do. I mean, he's not a real mechanic, but that's besides the point. Anyway, so you can see, she's in pieces right now. Sort of. I was able to do this mostly. So I was able to help some. So we had to trace the lines down. The lines are like all going through the firewall and shit. Lines. You can see she's all torn apart. And today, this whole system is coming out. The Nitrous Express kit is coming out. One thing that I just noticed actually last week is I thought this was a complete Nitrous Express system, but we have a nitrous outlet piece up there. These two, are they like the same company or something? Like you could just swap in parts in and out? Or maybe they just didn't have this piece, so they just screwed and went with nitrous outlet to hurry up and grab it and get it in. I don't know. But Steve's fucking around with the fuel line right now. He opened it up, all sorts of gas just spouted out. If I would have saw that shit, I would have freaked out. But it's all right, because I got Steve.
Bumblebees hanging out by your car, bro.
Yeah, that's what they do.
Dude, he's doing donuts.
I actually got like pictures where bees came and like just sit on my car. Look, he's going crazy right now. He's like, no, the bee. What are you doing to my queen? Don't worry, it's my queen too. But it's time for a change. So I probably won't be taking everything off. I still don't know the exact route just yet. But the nitrous kit is definitely coming off. I do want to keep some of it. It may or may not go onto my future vehicle, but either way it's coming off for now. I doubt it will be going back on this one, but if it does go back on a 392, hey, I'll have everything for it. So we'll let Steve finish doing what he's doing, and then if we run into anything else or anything interesting comes up, I'll pick back up where we left off. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the catch can, because I don't have the damn hose that goes from here to here. I don't know what I did with the hose. Also, I don't know what I did with the other half cover. I think it's still in North Carolina at my grandma's house. That's unfortunate. But I do want to keep the catch can. Maybe if someone has an extra little pipe laying around that I could just boop, boop, put between the two. I don't know. We'll see. This might just fit. I might just sacrifice one hose. This one here. Just turn this around because this swivels. Turn that around. And that should be long enough to fit. I actually need to check this damn thing. What the hell? Sam hell you got there, son? It's a crayon box.
Crayon box. Well, I'm trying to get a fuel line disconnect to fit in there because that's the way it is. What the Sam Hale?
What Sam hell you doing, Sip Trailer?
Because it's so fucking tight in here, it's like permanent. Permanente. Looks like you guys just give me your old kit. You have to get a new one. I'm sorry, Lyle.
Shit. If you guys are unfamiliar with what Steve drives, he drives the super slow, the SS Whipple. Super stock. The super stock.
It's just stock.
You guys seen this thing run a million times. If you haven't, make sure you go check out those videos. Boy, that ain't a sexy automobile there. Smile for the camera,
If you're
sexy.
talking about me, I appreciate it.
Talk about him. Steve, help.
You know me, I wouldn't have zip tied shit.
It's because you're not a real mechanic.
Wow. Way to join the fucking hater club.
Sorry.
Now you're gonna get demonetized.
You just bleep it out. I don't bleep shit out no more.
Why? Because it'd be like, beep. Oh, how's it going? Beep.
Yep.
Beep, beep, beep.
Well, I wouldn't say. Alright, folks, there she is. All done. I don't know where the hell my half cover is. Valve cover, half cover, whatever you want to call it. I just call them half cover. I'm pretty sure it's back in North Carolina though. But as you can see, back to stock. That's it. That's all she wrote. It's all my stuff from my camera and stuff. No more buttons. There you go. Just a plate. All the solenoids, purge line. Pretty sure you might want a new purge line. Probably. Even took the catch can out. Both my brackets for the bottle. Bottles inside in the back seat. Here's my hose, nitrous hose. Simple little button setup. Heater, purge, and arm the system. Boop. Get over there. And window switch. That's all she wrote. I don't know. If anybody's interested, I guess I'll sell it to you. If not, then I'll definitely hold on to it for future nitrous shenanigans. You think the real mechanic just does mechanic stuff? No, they clean too. Bruh. Like, where do you stay to get this much dirt over on top of your damn gas tank? And we're back at Steve's shop. Boy, she's dirty. I guess I'll give her a bath out of this. Alright, boy. Them fat ass tires, boy. Almost big as Steve, boy. Steve, you wish you had some meat like this, boy.
Cause I don't need all that.
Sheet. So we got some of this here gear lubricant. I swapped it out last time before I left, but I didn't add any additive. So now, with all that sitting over time, what I did while I was deployed, or she did while I was deployed, when I make a left or right turn, you can hear a slight grinding noise. So hopefully this fixes the problem. If not, oh well. Time to let her go. Throw the whole car away. Alright, anyway. Here's the lube we're using, 75W90. Calls for 75W80. But the only Mopar one I found online was the it was for Jeeps. And it has to have API GL5, but 75W90 should be good enough. And to help with the grinding, if because this was what we didn't have last time. Last time we just put that in, but this time we're gonna throw this in. And of course, with 6 months of just sitting around, we're gonna swap it out, see if it works. But with this should solve the slight grinding noise. It's nothing serious. It's only when I'm going at slow speeds and I'm turning. And I don't know if I recorded last time, but I probably didn't. You just take this guy out right here, which is just one of these bolts. Here it is right here. Boop. Boop. Oh, there it goes. My bad. Anyway, it's just one of these guys right here. You drain it out, fill it up through here. Of course, put your little bolt back in, fill it up, then throw in your ounce of additive, which is probably just mix it in with that before we put it all in. And the reason I came to Steve to do is because, one, I don't have a socket to fix this, or an Allen key to fix this, and he has a lift. It's just way easier when you have a lift. You can actually get up under here and do what you need to do. It's way easier. Damn, that shit look good. I mean, it's a grainy picture, but it looked way better in person. See if the problem persists. Whoa, look at it rolling in, boy. Oh my God. You like the shit sound, boy. In case you can't figure it out, I'm dancing. Alright, so I just did a couple of donuts. Looks like the additive seemed to work out. Seemed like we're good to go. I heard no more little grinding noise, so the additive was what we needed. Like I said, after all that sitting for so long, and then not putting additive in the first time. I don't hear no more grinding. I made another turn back there. Still didn't hear anything. So we should be good to go, folks. But as you saw, the Nitrous kit is out. So it's going to be interesting to see what's next. I should have took that right turn. Nitrous kit is out now, as you guys saw. If you're interested in it, then shoot me a number and I'll let you know if you want to buy it or if I want to sell it to you or not. If not, and I don't really care, I'll just hold on to it. It's not officially for sale, but if someone's interested, just let me know. Because I have no problem hanging on to it, because I'm pretty sure that bottle, that heater, and a couple other things will gladly go onto something else that I want to put it on. Alright, TubeU, so we're back in the garage now, parking them for the night. I don't think there's anything else going on, man. So this is just a little vlog test video, I guess. We're gonna see if you guys enjoy this. Hey man, let me know. If you guys don't enjoy it, then let me know. Just recording, you know, just some of the stuff we do. Hopefully trying to catch some of those genuine funny moments. None of that scripted crap that you see on too many channels these days. A lot of stuff just gets missed, man, and it's a real shame. Like, I'm never recording when the funny stuff that I know you guys would enjoy. I never have the camera, so I'm gonna try this vlogging thing out. Gonna try keeping the camera on as much as possible so we can try to catch more of those moments, because some of these moments just have to be shared, man. Like, you guys just got to see the stuff and hear the stuff that me and all of my friends say. But if you guys did enjoy the video, like I said, let me know. If you didn't, then, you know, let me know, and we'll either stop or we'll continue these videos. We'll see what you guys enjoy. You seem to enjoy it, or other people, I should say, seem to enjoy it when other channels do it. So I figured you guys may be interested in it, so we'll see how it goes. So that's really all I got. Nitrous kit is out. Yes, it's out. It's completely out. So if you happen to get gapped from now until the time I get rid of this car, I don't want to hear shit from any of you 5.0 fanboys. I don't want to hear nothing from any of you Focus fanboys. Well, oh man, you sprayed, you had the bottle. The bottle is out. It's sitting over there in the corner somewhere. Out, clear as day, out of the vehicle. Look, I'll even show it. Make sure you see. There's no buttons. No buttons. See? Nothing. No lines, no nothing. I showed you in the earlier clip, just in case you were too stupid and skipped over that. Because you guys like to skip over stuff and then get mad at me when you ignored important stuff of the video. Anyway, enough of me rambling on. That's all I got for you folks. If you first time stop by, make sure you hit that bell icon. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Swing over to the Instagram channel at low293flow, all one word. And that's really all I got for you folks, man. I'm going to go inside, eat some more fried chicken, and play some video games. That new GTA DLC just came out. I'm going to buy a bunch of cars, spend a bunch of money up there. All the money that I wish I had in real life, you know what I'm saying? Because that's how I live out my fantasies. GTA through video games, obviously. And that's all I got for you. I'm out. Peace.